is Nurse Speedster. I have something to show you today. There's 3 things you need. A device with Bluetooth, a miniature Bluetooth speaker, and a glass that you can fit the Bluetooth speaker in. And warning, your ears might explode. Not really, but I'm warning you, this can hurt your ears very bad. So please don't do this, especially where I'm going to do it. Okay, and so I'll bring you over here. I'll show you everything you need. So right here we got the iPhone, got some Bluetooth, we got some Spotify right there, and here's the thing you're gonna need. So you're gonna need a glass and Bluetooth speakers in here. I can get that out. Sorry about that. Technical difficulties. So yeah, we have a glass and a Bluetooth speaker. So yeah, we got everything. So what you need to do next is take the Bluetooth speaker, drop it in the glass, and I'm already connected. And then the next step is so the next step is, as I was saying, to go into a room somewhere. What I'm doing is I'm in a little fort sort of thing. You can sort of hear an echo. This does not have carpet, wood walls. And yeah, we're gonna put a large Bluetooth speaker. Well, first I'm gonna show you. So I'm just gonna show you real quick what the iPhone sounds like just normally. Turn Bluetooth off. So this is what it sounds like normally. So you heard that. So now I'm gonna drop it in to the cup. Probably heard a pretty good difference. Now I'm going to turn Bluetooth on. This is not in the cup, so oh whoops, my bad. Ignore that. Sorry about that. What? Bluetooth is on. This might take a second. I'm sorry about this. I'm very sorry. Oh. Okay, we're connected. Okay, now, this is what it sounds like with the normal Bluetooth speaker, not in the cup. That is very deafening. Yeah. I'm sorry about that. So now this is what it sounds like in the cup. So yeah, that's been the video, and see ya.